the chains. I'm conflicted as to whether it's a fallen angel or a giant.
Hear that from a Hebrew Israelite perspective. They are not giants, sis. They are definitely fallen angels. Fallen angels. The book of Genesis talk about that. Revelation chapter 9 verse 14 talk about that. Enoch chapter 10 verse 4 to 8 talk about that. In the book of 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 17 to 22 make a reference of those that were corrupted during the time of these fallen angels. All right? Peace.
Dries, it unveils some ancient mysteries. Archaeologists have found some unbelievable things from the riverbed, including a castle, treasures of gold, and a unique composition of soil. One of the most shocking ones is a cave which was located in the depths of Euphrates.